Hey guys, welcome to my object-oriented course. This is Dio from Coding Myths. Let's begin with the intro to this course. So who is this course for? If you are a beginner or intermediate Java developer trying to learn the standard Java or some features of the JavaFX library, then this course will be of great help to you. By the end of the course, you will be rewarded with your own version of Minesweeper. These video tutorials are meant to give you a full overview on how to create a simple application in Java with JavaFX GUI. I'll also explain some object-oriented principles during the way, trying to apply them in practice. You can of course find other sources online that provide the full Java code for Minesweeper, but the goal of this course is rather to help you with the design process of a project and how to apply these principles. We all read the theory behind object-oriented, but in the beginning it's always hard to understand why these principles are really helpful. I'll try to keep the videos short so that you won't get lost into boring details, but instead we'll have a fun and rewarding progress on each video. Just to show you what we'll be building and what will be the end result, this is the application we will be building, our own Minesweeper. It will have 3 levels of difficulty and it will follow the classical Microsoft version. I think it would be very nice for you to have your own version of Minesweeper. So see you on the next video and have fun learning Java.